What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's your man, it's Joby, and I'm bringing out a brand new video. I deadass just spent 10 minutes trying to film that intro. I'm mad. I'm giving up. I'm just gonna stick with the last one. Hopefully it was good enough for y'all. If it wasn't, what is going on? How y'all doing today? I hope y'all staying well. In today's video, I'm gonna be giving you guys one of my biggest secrets. Yes, guys, it's not a joke. I'm actually being 100%. I'm gonna be giving y'all one secret that's about to change the rest of your life. Maybe it's not that serious. Your life is about to change after this video. Your life is about to change after meeting me. Your life. I told my ex the same thing, so you can ask if that's true or not. Today, guys, I decided, you know what? I can't be the only good-looking dude out here. I can't. There's way too many girls. I can't handle them all. So I'm like, let me put some of my guys on. Let me help y'all out. I got you. This video is for you. Alright, but if you're a girl and you're watching this video, hold on. I mean, it's for you too. To be quite honest with y'all, a girl put me on with these tips. So, but if you're a girl with curly hair, yo, DM me. Like, I'm being dead ass right now. Is that thirsty? I hope it's not. Like, I hope that I'm just saying that the girls I'm currently fucking with, they're just not it. They just ain't it. I need me a curly head. Alright, let's go, guys. We are moving on. Hopefully I don't come off as an asshole, because I'm not. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Come on, guys. We gotta show some love for the curly hair girls out there, right? I can't believe I've never been with a girl who has... That's a cap. I just remembered. Guys, this is not just a regular curly hair routine video. Nope. It's not. This is your boy Joby hooking you up. That's right. But look, not only am I giving y'all the secret sauce to what I put in my hair, to what I do to my hair, but I'm giving y'all a gem. Some of y'all might know this gem. Some of y'all might. So don't come at me in the comments telling me y'all already knew that. Blah, blah, blah. Shut up. Shut up. Okay? I don't care about you. I'm trying to put the guys who don't know on. But wait for it, okay? It's gonna be somewhere in this video. I'll let you know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna be like, yo, guys, it's gem time. It's gem time. You know one of those shiny things? That's right. I'm giving y'all one of them shiny things. All right, I think I said that enough, guys. So stay tuned for that. But let's get into today's video, shall we? Yes, Joby, we shall. But guys, the tip I'm gonna give y'all today, it doesn't even take long. Like when I say it doesn't take long, like it does not take long. I put one thing in my hair and that's it. That is it. No, you know what? Two things. I forgot about the water. Guys, the routine I'm about to put y'all on with is super simple. It is super easy. You won't even freaking believe it. Like, it doesn't even take 5 minutes. I'm gonna title it 5 minutes, but it don't even take 5 minutes. Trust me. You just gotta wet your hair, you know, do your thing, and then do your other thing, and then you're done. Like, that's it. It's that simple. You just do things. But yes, guys, enough of me talking, enough of me blabbing, enough of me just saying. Okay, come on. Alright, y'all, field trip time. Everybody on the bus. Y'all here? Let's go. Field trip. We taking a field trip. We going out of my room. We going outside. You know, where the scary shit happens. Okay, look, everybody needs to hold hands, though. Hold hands. You guys holding hands? Yo, no, after that, no, nobody holding hands. Do not touch each other. 6 feet away. I forgot about the... Yeah. Yo, Azzy. Yo. Hey, look. Trying to have your hair curly? Coming with? You gonna hold the camera? Hold the camera. Yeah, take the camera. Take the camera. We're gonna go vlogging. Let's go. Pick it up, bro. Alright, Azzy, come on. You coming? Yeah, move back. Alright, let's go. Yo, shout out to my bathroom for having some amazing lighting in here. Like, yo, shout out. Hopefully you're not too distracted by this shower curtain picked by my lovely mother. I have no freaking idea what the hell she was thinking. Everybody, let's just roast her in the comments. Everybody, let's just roast my mother. The most bogus shit. Like, I don't care. Hey, bro, you say anything about my mom, I'll mess you up. Don't really go too hard. Alright, guys, but before we get into step number 2, let me get into step number 1. So look, my routine is really simple. Like I said, I keep it super simple. It's not even gonna take you 5 minutes to do. I mean, it could take you longer depending on, you know, how long your showers take if you want to shower. But you want to skip the shower and just wet your hair in the sink, you can do that too. Y'all can't see the sink right now, but it's there, okay? It's right there. Like, hold on. See? Sink's there. I'm not actually gonna be using the sink. I'm actually gonna be taking a full-fledged shower. So guys, we used to have a bar here, and when I was a kid, I actually tried to jump from the sink onto the bar, and when I jumped, obviously me and the bar went. I took way too many L's when I was 7, I swear. Now listen, bro. If you are washing your hair with shampoo every single day, stop. Stop. Now look, I'm not gonna be the only one that's gonna tell you this. Go right now. I want you to ask any girl. Ask them if they wash their hair every day. And if they tell you that they do, stop talking to them because they're gonna go bald soon, okay? Don't talk to no bald chicks. Big facts. Okay, I don't know if you're gonna actually go bald if you use shampoo every single day, but the thing is, guys, the reason why you should not be using shampoo every single day is because our hair actually holds moisture inside. Yes, it produces natural body oils, and that's kind of somewhat, especially if you have curly hair, how you get the curly hair look that you desire. So step 1 is to definitely stop washing your hair every single day with shampoo. But obviously we gotta, wash our hair. So my recommendation to you guys is to at least use shampoo once a week, if not twice a week if you need to. But guys, that's how you're gonna get the best looking hair that you want. So you want to shampoo on Sunday because you're not going out? Shampoo on Sunday, right? So Monday your hair gonna be looking nice and plan it out, guys. Plan it out. You guys, if it wasn't for my routine, my hair right now would be so frizzy. I did get up in the morning, I did work out, and then I went to work, and it's lasted a whole day so far. Me personally, I do my routine at night just because I have a lot of hair, and then me having this man bun style that I'm pretty sure most of y'all are not going after, right? I know which look y'all going after. I used to rock that look a long time ago. It's fresh, it's fresh. But guys, yes, you can do this routine at night right before you go to bed. I don't recommend it because you're probably not gonna get the best results. I do when I go to sleep because I can't have all that. I cannot deal with wet hair in the morning, and blow drying it might not be the best idea just because it's a lot of heat added to your hair, and I usually let my hair air dry. I think that is a part of the routine. So for you guys, I say the same thing. Just let your hair air dry, it'll be way better. But guys, you could do this in the morning too. Like I said, it doesn't take too long, but if you have way too much hair and you don't want your hair that wet in the morning, then I say just do it at night like I do. But it's still gonna work. You're still gonna get good looking results either way. But guys, let's wet my hair and I'll see y'all in a little bit. I don't know if I got to show you guys like well enough, but this is my hair like 15 hours after what I've done, after a whole sleep session, after work, after working out. Yes, I'm still working during this quarantine, so hit that subscribe button so I can quit my McDonald's job. Laughing, but very, very serious. So guys, this is like how my curls curl up. I stopped the shower so I can talk to you guys for a little bit. Okay, it's starting to get a little bit steamy in here, so hold on. I'm not done with the shower yet, but I did want to show you guys how my hair looked, when it's wet. So this is how my hair looks wet. Okay, it is a little bit longer, but when I had shorter hair, my curls were a lot tighter, and they didn't weigh down so heavy, and obviously the water is weighing it down. But yes, as you guys can see, my hair is pretty curly. It's right there, and I didn't put nothing in it, literally just water. My next step is, guys, look, what you want to do when you're showering is you want to detangle your hair. I brush my hair in the shower just to detangle it. I find it to be a lot easier for me to do in the shower, so that's my recommendation to y'all. If y'all want to follow that, go right ahead. Yup. We are back. Yes, we are back with wet hair. I feel so relaxed right now. I should not have taken a shower. Alright, so the shower is done, guys. I put on my clothes, but I have not done anything yet. I've let my hair seriously just sit here. It's only been like a good 2-3 minutes. My hair is still soaking wet, like it's still dripping water, kind of. But guys, now it is time for that gem, I promise you. If you guys are still drying your hair with a towel, stop that too. Stop that too. It's time for a change, y'all. I want you to grab one of your old t-shirts that you don't wear anymore, that you know is 100% cotton, and use that instead. Now guys, I cannot tell you why. I have no freaking idea why it changes the way your hair looks afterwards. I really don't know. But guys, it makes a huge difference. Trust me, it does. Just take your hair, grab your shirt. You just want to dry it. Just dry your hair as much as you can with the shirt. Treat it like a towel. Use it as your towel. Literally, this is my hair towel, guys. Every single day I use this. After you've wet your hair, guys, step number 2 is to dry your hair with a t-shirt. After you try, guys, go ahead. Come back to this video. Leave the comment where you say, thank you for this, bro. You again changed my life, not only with the routine, but with the way I dry my hair. Guys, I'm telling you, trust me with that shirt method. It changed my life. Okay, it didn't actually change my life, but guys, it changed how my hair comes out. It definitely changed the outcome of how your hair is gonna look at the end of the day. But guys, on to the final step, and yes, there's only 3 steps in this video, and this is the last one. It is time to apply that magic sauce. Now, if you have curly hair, I am 100% sure you have heard of Cantu. This is the Cantu I use. See that? That is argan oil. So guys, look, it's right here. Okay? This is your magic. This is what's gonna change your hair. This is what you gotta use. Cantu argan oil. It's a leave-in conditioner. So what you wanna do is you're gonna apply it on your hair and you're gonna leave it in there. And all the girls are gonna want you after that, and that's a fact. So let's get started. So I usually grab a pretty fat scoop, and then I would just rub it into my hair and see if I need more, and I would just grab more if I need some. But let's start. So what you want to do, guys, get your hair to one side, right? I would say all in front so you can see it, and you could start from either the back or the front. I'm gonna start from the front, from my chest, because that's where I like to focus. So I'm gonna put a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here. Now you wanna put it into your curls by sections. So grab a little chunks of your hair and slowly just start rubbing it in. Just like this. Grab the other section, do the same thing. And one thing I like about this stuff, guys, is it smells really nice. So it's like you don't even have to use shampoo. Your hair is already gonna smell amazing if you're worried about how it's gonna smell. But yes, guys, just start rubbing it in there, just start putting it all in. I just grabbed it all by one piece. That's just by habit, but you also want to rub it in. You see my hair is already starting to look different, right? It's starting to look different. I haven't even finished applying it yet. So yeah, that was the chunk I pretty much used for this part. Maybe it is a little bit much. Maybe I probably don't have to use that much, but you probably don't have to put as much as I do if you're not going to be sleeping with it. The top, and this is where I start rubbing it in, and yeah, we'll rub it right in the top. For me, this part's important just because I have a man bun. And my hair's gonna frizz up if I don't. Your curls, this is what's gonna curl your hair, and it's gonna keep your hair from frizzing, okay? You don't want your hair to frizz, because once your hair starts frizzing, you don't get those curls anymore. There you go. That is my curly hair routine. Now, you guys have not seen my hair when it's dry. Once you put your stuff in your hair and you're all done, your next step is to let it air dry. Now for me, my hair is gonna take a little bit to dry just because there is a lot of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start editing this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. But guys, now your last step is just let it air dry. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when it's done, okay? Alright guys, I just finished up editing. It is 12:40 a.m. right now. So if I look a little bit tired, that is my excuse. But guys, as you guys can see, these are the curls I get after my routine, and this is how it came out. So guys, go ahead, try this out for yourselves. Let me know what you guys think. But before I end this video, let's go back to Joby. So I didn't really try with this man bun just because I'm about to call it a night, guys. I'm just gonna put this last clip into the video and then I'm gonna go to bed. But thank you so much for tuning in today's video. If you guys did enjoy and you guys appreciated today's tips, make sure you let me know by hitting that like button. And hey guys, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments. I do respond to all my comments. Or you guys can message me on Instagram or Snapchat, which is in the description below. But if you're new to my channel and you enjoy my content, I do upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I'm doing my best to. So guys, subscribe, join the journey. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. That's my goal for 2020. So if we could hit that, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for being here once again. It's your boy, it's your man, it's Joby, and I'm going out.